Sublistar's new ultrafine UV white ink brings you a different experience. Hey, are you still troubled by these problems after printing? Dull colors, large noise of ink dots, blurred patterns? Come and take a look at the latest ultrafine UV white ink from Sublistar. Say goodbye to all the troubles caused by other inks. This ink can effectively solve the problems of suffused with white and scattered ink dots after printing, making your printed patterns more delicate, the ink dots more concentrated, the colors more vivid and the saturation higher. Sublistar UV Ultrafine White Ink, pushing precision to unprecedented levels, elevating prints to masterpiece status.